Slow disintegration is killing your tablet's performance. There's a smarter solution. Introducing CEL-CA-CAL, Calcium Carboxymethyl Cellulose by Biotech. The Super-Disintegrant engineered for speed. Complete tablet disintegration in seconds. The moment it contacts aqueous media, it acts. Fastest in class. Struggling with poorly soluble APIs? Forms drug-polymer complexes. Highly cost-effective. Minimal quantity, maximum impact. Small dosage, big results. Superior long-term stability. Your formulations stay potent, shelf-ready, and compliant through every storage condition. Tested against USP, BP, and Ph.Eur standards. Quality you can trust, batch after batch. CEL-CA-CAL by Biotech. Built for tablets, capsules, dry suspensions. Contact us for samples and bulk supply.